afternoon. Like we start every assembly, we're going to start with the shark song. Ticket winners, okay? A lot of good things happened this month. And again, as always, if you are a fourth grade ticket counter, could you please stand up for a second because we need to give you a big round of applause. They do so much work every Friday. If you helped out, I know that's Delmari has helped out. Who else has helped out? Isabel, who else has helped out?
Jacob.
Yeah, Jacob, yeah. Markilla, stand up if you have helped out. You stand up. These kids give up their recess so they can count your tickets. All right, thank you, everybody. You can be seated. All right, so this month's winning class, I don't think we've ever had this many tickets. In my entire time here at Chatham Elementary School, this was amazing. Are we ready? Drum roll, please, gentlemen. Miss Johnson Driver's class. They had, I believe, 1,900, almost 2,000 tickets this month. So well done. And I am sorry that my slide doesn't show that. All right. There we go. Miss Johnson Driver's class. I'm sorry, 1,428 tickets. Amazing job. And a total of 3,897 tickets for the entire school. That means that almost 4,000 times you got caught doing the right thing. Amazing. Okay, it's time for the November Mystery Shark. So just as a review, this mystery shark has visited 13 different countries and 23 different states. They have 2 dogs. They have flown in a helicopter in the Grand Canyon. They have 25 cousins. Must have been a big Thanksgiving. They were a scout for 13 years, and their favorite animal is an elephant. Ms. Gradzicki, you want to come down and tell us how the voting went this month?
All right. It was very interesting this month. I was telling Dr. Kelly, nobody voted for Mr. D because he was the mystery shark last month, but normally every time we do this, he gets most of the votes. So it was, like I said, very interesting to see different teachers chosen. In total, There were 29 grown-ups in our building that kids guessed. So 29 staff members received at least one guess. But one person had most of the guesses. And that person is Miss Howell.
Okay, drum roll please. And the mystery shark is Miss Howell. Finally, all right. What was the clue? Was it the two dogs? Was the clue? Excellent. Thank you, thank you. Okay. All right. So the way, friends, the way the calendar falls, our next Shark Assembly is only 2 weeks away. So we are not going to have a mystery shark today because we only have 2 weeks to do voting. So we're going to wait until January, until our December, okay, so we're going to wait until our December meeting to have our next mystery shark. Now it's time for our academic challenges. So last month we challenged you to meet your independent reading goals every week. And you earned feathers for your turkeys that are in the cafeteria, and they are so beautiful. But there was one class that absolutely did an amazing job. Actually, it's a couple classes that did an amazing job. But this class had 98% of their students met their reading goals over the entire challenge. So drum roll, please. So Ms. Turbo's class had 98% participation. Excellent job. They were so close, or I'm sorry, they were only beat out another class by 1%, and that was Mrs. King's class. So you did an excellent job with 97%. Overall, our entire school was well over 80% participation of meeting your weekly goals, and I think you will see that that helps you go out in all areas. So keep reading. We'll have another challenge again soon. All right. For December, we're going to do a kindness challenge. So this is going to start on Friday. Everybody is going to get a ticket that looks like this. It's actually going to be a large one. And every day we're going to challenge you to do another act of kindness. So you can see that some of them are do something nice for a student, help a teacher, invite someone new to play with you. Easy things that can make other people's day a lot more special. So we're going to start that on Friday and do that for the month of December. Sound good? Okay, moving on. It's now time for the CES Success, and we have quite a few members that are being initiated today. Our drum roll group, are we ready for our last drum roll of the day? All right, so our Sea of Success members for this month, when you hear your name, you can come join us. You'll also notice that we have some teachers today that were nominated by students. So from kindergarten, we have Edward, Jaden, Lucy, Rowan, and Charlotte. You can come up to the front. From second grade, we have Tristan and Emmy. From third grade, Maisie, Zachary. From fourth grade, Jacob, Isabella, Gabe, and Leah. And for our teachers, Mrs. King, Mr. Gessner, Mr. Topa, and Coach Wilder.
next level in Minden.
I nominated Zachary. Zachary comes to school every day with a positive attitude and a mindset of, I'm going to try my best. He never gives up, and he isn't afraid to ask for help, and his attitude is contagious. So this is why I nominated Zach. And I nominated Maisie because she stands out due to her constant kindness. She's always willing to help any classmate. She's eager to work with any group or any individual, and she always has something nice to say to everyone she comes across. So this is why I nominated Maisie.
So I'm going to continue with my alliteration theme from last month. If you remember, I thought of adjectives that started with the same letter as the student's name. So I'm going to start off with Imi, and I chose intelligent because she's very smart. Imaginative, because she's very creative and writes wonderful stories. Impressive, she has many talents, including reading, writing, dancing, and singing. And insightful, she's a great thinker. And inspiring, she loves to encourage everybody to do their best, which I love that. So great job, Amy. And I chose Tristan. He's tender-hearted because he's so kind and understanding. He's talented. You should see his Lego creations that he does and the coding that he does on the computer. He's tenacious. He doesn't give up. He's trustworthy. He's a loyal friend. We can always rely on him. And he's just terrific. He's terrific, Tristan. So thanks, Tristan.
All right. This is really funny. I don't know if this has happened before, but I also nominated Emmy and Tristan. So they got nominated twice this month. When I think of all our different shark expectations, both Emmy and Tristan show them every time they come into the library. They move safely around the room. They're honest, they're accepting, they're respectful to the teachers, to the other kids, to all of the materials and the books, and they are always kind to one another. In addition, I nominated Mrs. King. Mrs. King has donated some new books to the library. She's nominated quite a few picture books that we've been able to add to our collection, and she's given us some reading buddies. She's given us more Pete the Cat stuffed animals. She gave us Pinkalicious and Corduroy the Bear. So that was so kind of Mrs. King. I wanted to nominate her for the same success.
I nominated Isabella because every single day she works so hard. She never gives up. She follows all of the sharp expectations. And particularly I thought about how she did in writing. Because sometimes writing can be challenging for us, and we can't always think of what we want to say, how to put it down on paper. And she never gave up. And just worked so hard at it, and I wanted to recognize her for that. So keep up the great work, Isabella. And Jacob is another one of our sharks who shows consistently our expectations every single day. He works so hard to complete his work, always on time and with effort and care. I see that on a daily basis. He's always kind to his classmates as well, and super helpful around the classroom. I don't have to ask him, he just automatically wants to help out in the classroom. Keep up the great work too, Jacob. Thank you.
I get to thank Edward. Edward, while most of you have had 57 days of practice at school, he was gone in New York for a week and has still managed to vastly improve his ability to be a student. Thank you, Edward.
I nominated Mr. Toba because when I go to music class, he always has a smile on his face and is willing to help anyone who needs He makes this class so much fun, and it is one of my favorites by far because he makes funny jokes. He is just naturally a very nice person. I think he should be recognized because he has been caught being an amazing shark so many times, whether he's helping a student or just talking in a conversation. I'm so happy he's a shark.
Just to finish up our fourth graders here, I nominated Gabe Santana and Leah Kaufman. Leah is not with us today. Hope she's back tomorrow. Don't let it with my friends are not here. But Gabe has been doing a great job this year. You know, it's all about attitude. He comes here, he's ready to learn. I heard that word tenacious a little earlier, and I thought that was a pretty good word to describe Gabe too. He gets, if something's challenging, he looks for help. If he's not sure, and when he is sure, he's happy to share that knowledge. So, well done, Gabe.
I nominated Coach Rod because they always help me and other students to understand the work that we have to do. Coach Rod always makes us go with a smile and constant comments everywhere. Coach Rod to make sure that all students are successful. Thank you, Coach Rod, I appreciate you. I nominated Mr. Gessler because from the first day of school he has been helping me in all the subjects. Even if he's busy with another student, Mr. Gessler tells me to hold on and he always keeps his promise to help me when he's there. Although he gives a lot of instructions, he does that so we know what to do with any questions. Mr. Gessler is very helpful, respectful, and supportive. He is a super shark.
Congratulations to all of our nominees for November. Well done, Sharks. You're very welcome. Okay, it is close to the end of our assembly. It wouldn't be an assembly without lots of music. So today we had our wonderful drum roll band, so thank you to all of you. Our two shark mascots, Bryson and Marvin. And as always, Shark Attack is going to be playing a song for us. It's a little bit of a holiday song this afternoon. When they're done, we'll start dismissing students back to their classrooms. We'll have another assembly in just 2 weeks. So everyone have a great afternoon and thank you for being such a good audience. Thank you.